Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Learning Pathshala. In this series, you will not just listen to English, you will think in English, and slowly you will start speaking English. This is not a grammar class. This is daily life English. So relax, don't hurry, listen slowly, and speak with me. Let's begin.
It is early morning. The room is quiet. Soft light comes through the window. A young man, Ravi, is sleeping peacefully. He is not in a hurry. His day has just started. The alarm rings softly. Ravi wakes up early in the morning. It is 6 o'clock. Ravi opens his eyes slowly. He feels tired. He feels sleepy. He stays on the bed for a few seconds. Ravi sits on the bed. He stretches his arms. He takes a deep breath. He looks around the room. Everything feels familiar. Everything feels safe. In his mind, many thoughts are moving. But he is not worried. He says to himself,
I am feeling sleepy. I don't want to wake up, but I have to get up. Today is a new day.
He picks up his phone. There are many notifications. Office messages, family messages. No urgent messages. Ravi gets up. He feels relaxed. He stands near the window. He looks outside. The sky is clear. The air feels fresh. He thinks quietly. Life is simple when the mind is calm. He is not speaking aloud, he is thinking. Thinking in simple English. He looks at the time again. He walks to the bathroom. He looks at himself in the mirror. He washes his face. Cold water touches his skin. Now he feels better. He looks into the mirror. He thinks.
Okay, wake up. I am ready for the day.
He comes out of the bathroom. He walks toward the kitchen. The house feels warm. The morning feels peaceful. He drinks a glass of water. He takes his time. The day feels real now. Small actions, simple thoughts. This is daily life English. Ravi walks to the kitchen. His mother is there. She is making tea. The kitchen smells nice. She smiles and says, Good morning. Ravi smiles back. Good morning, Mom. He holds the cup. They sit together quietly. Ravi drinks his tea slowly. Now he feels better. He gets ready to leave. Today is important for him. He wears his shoes. He picks up his bag. He looks confident. Not excited. Not nervous. Just calm. He says goodbye. He steps outside the house. A new day waits for him. Ravi leaves his house. The air is fresh. The street is quiet. Some people are walking. Some shops are opening. Ravi walks to the bus stop. He looks around. He checks the time. The bus is late. He sits quietly. He looks at people. Everyone looks busy. Everyone is going somewhere. The bus arrives. Ravi gets on the bus. He finds a seat near the window. He looks outside. Ravi reaches the office. He sits at his desk. He opens his laptop. There is a meeting today. He takes a deep breath. The meeting starts. Ravi listens carefully. When he speaks slowly and clearly. He makes a small mistake, but he continues. The meeting ends. Ravi feels relaxed.
Now is your turn to speak with me. Now, pause the video. Repeat slowly with me.
I am feeling sleepy.
I am feeling sleepy.
I don't want to wake up.
I don't want to wake up.
I have to get up.
I have to get up.
Today is a new day.
Today is a new day.
This tea feels good.
This tea feels good.
Mornings are peaceful.
Mornings are peaceful.
I am a little nervous.
I am a little nervous.
I hope everything goes well.
I hope everything goes well.
The bus is late.
The bus is late.
I hope I am not late.
I hope I am not late.
Everyone has their own life.
Everyone has their own life.
It makes me calm.
It makes me calm.
Stay calm.
Stay calm.
Focus on your work.
Focus on your work.
Do your best.
Do your best.
I did my best.
I did my best. Life is simple, but our mind makes it difficult. English is also simple, but fear makes it difficult. When you learn English through daily life, it becomes natural. Don't try to be perfect. Just be comfortable.
Listen to this story again. Speak the lines again. Slowly. English will come naturally. See you in the next episode on English Learning Pathshala.